Welcome to our online classroom at Kuya Prof TV. This is our Operation Management and Total Quality Management subject. Our topic today is about business operations and strategy. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to explain each of the key purchasing criteria. Understand the 4 competitive priorities and common strategies firms use to achieve these priorities. Describe the term core competency. Describe the 3 levels of strategy. Operations strategy. The corporate strategy revolves around the objectives of the organization, core competence, and gaining competitive advantage in terms of products and/or services. On the other hand, market segmentation and priorities that are based on a competitive market scenario for products or services come under the preview of business strategy. Operations-related activities fall under functional strategy as it includes operational tasks to develop products such as effective management of productivity, capability, flexibility, quality, production cost, delivery, etc. Strategy. The strategy hierarchy. In most corporations, there are several levels of management. Strategic management is the highest of these levels in the sense that it is the broadest and applies to all parts of the firm while also incorporating the longest time horizon. It gives direction to corporate values, corporate culture, corporate goals, and corporate missions. Under this broad corporate strategy there are typically business-level competitive strategies and functional unit strategies. Corporate strategy refers to the overarching strategy of the diversified firm. Business strategy refers to the aggregated strategies of a single business firm or a strategic business unit or SBU in a diversified corporation. Functional strategies include marketing strategies, new product development strategies, human resource strategies, financial strategies, legal strategies, supply chain strategies, and information technology management strategies. Many companies feel that a functional organizational structure is not an efficient way to organize activities, so they are re-engineered according to processes or SBUs. A strategic business unit is a semi-autonomous unit that is usually responsible for its own budgeting, new product decisions, hiring decisions, and price setting. An SBU is treated as an internal profit center by corporate headquarters. An additional level of strategy called operational strategy was encouraged by Peter Drucker in his theory of management by objectives or MBO. It is very narrow in focus and deals with day-to-day operational activities such as scheduling criteria. Operational level strategies are informed by business level strategies which, in turn, are informed by corporate level strategies. Operations strategy categories can be broken down into many types of areas that must be addressed. The decisions made in these areas will determine whether the business strategy is executed. Below is a list of 10 critical decisions in operations management. 1. Design of goods and services. The actual design of the product or service will have the largest impact on the cost to produce and the quality to achieve. 2. Quality. The way in which the organization will ensure that the product specifications are met. This may include the use of statistical process control, total quality management, or Six Sigma. 3. Process and capacity design. The type of product along with its volume and variety will have the major impact on which type of process to be chosen. 4. Location. Important decisions such as how many locations and where to locate them are critical to organization success. This will be a major factor in terms of how quickly the transformation process can take place, and how quickly goods can be shipped to customers. 5. Layout design and strategy. Consider the placement of work centers, movement of goods, people, and information. How materials are delivered and used. 6. Human resources and job design. Decisions regarding training for employees, how to motivate employees to achieve operational success. 7. Supply chain decisions. Decisions in terms of where suppliers are located, and the level of supplier collaboration are major considerations that impact cost and delivery speed. 8. Inventory. How will inventories be used and controlled in the business and the supply chain? 9. Scheduling. Includes both how to schedule production, resources, and employees in order to be effective, efficient, and meet commitments to customers. 10. Maintenance. This involves maintaining equipment and machinery as well as keeping quality high and processes stable. Common operations strategies. There are many types of operations strategies. 2 of the most common are quality-based strategies and time-based strategies. Quality-based strategies are commonly used when companies wish to elevate their reputation in the marketplace. Improving on their product design and the reduction of errors are the backbone of these initiatives. Firms will often use programs such as ISO 9001, Six Sigma, and Total Quality Management in their efforts. Time-based strategies are used to reduce lead time, which is the amount of time elapsed from the receipt of the customer's order until the products are shipped. Firms that can produce faster will often have lower costs. These companies may use lean production methods to improve the velocity of their processes. Productivity. In operations, we love to measure. One of the key ways we judge our operational performance is by using a simple holistic measure, which is productivity. Productivity is referred to as a relative measure. It has little meaning in isolation but does tell a story when it is compared to the previous period, or to a similar department or organization. That ends my presentation today. I hope you enjoy this video lesson about operation and the difference between manufacturing and service operations. See you in our next lesson.